Hey guys, today we're diving into a review of the Moomoo Trading App. If you're someone who's interested in trading stocks or learning more about investing, Moomoo might have popped up on your radar. It's a relatively new app that's gaining popularity, but the question is, does it live up to the hype? In this review, I'll break down what Moomoo offers, its features, pros and cons, and help you decide whether it's the right platform for you. Let's jump right in and explore everything Moomoo has to offer. Moomoo is a stock trading app that's designed for people who want to actively trade stocks, options, and exchange-traded funds. It's owned by Fudu Holdings, a fintech company that's listed on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange, so it comes from a trusted background in the financial world. What makes Moomoo stand out is its combination of powerful trading tools, advanced charts, and low or even zero commission trading for certain assets. The app has a sleek and modern design, making it a good fit for traders who want to access global markets, all from the convenience of their phones. One of the big selling points of Moomoo is its low cost. Like many modern trading platforms, Moomoo offers zero-commission trading for US stocks, ETFs, and options. This means that you don't pay a fee to buy or sell these assets. However, there are still small fees related to regulatory costs and exchange fees, but these are typically tiny amounts, such as 0.0419% of the total transaction. For options trading, Moomoo charges $0.65 per contract, which is competitive with other trading platforms out there. For margin trading, Moomoo offers different interest rates based on the amount borrowed. Rates start at around 6.8% for borrowing under $100,000. It's always good to be cautious when using margin, as borrowing money to trade can amplify both gains and losses. Moomoo is packed with features that appeal to both beginner and experienced traders. Let's walk through some of the main highlights. First off, Moomoo offers real-time data and market analysis. You can access in-depth charts, trading volumes, and various technical indicators. The app even allows for pre-market and after-hours trading, which is great for those who want to trade outside the standard hours. Another unique feature is Moomoo's AI-powered news feed, which helps you stay up to date with the latest market trends. The news is tailored to your trading interests, so if you're into tech stocks or energy companies, Moomoo will curate news that's relevant to you. In terms of education, Moomoo provides useful tutorials and learning materials for traders. Whether you're a beginner or just brushing up on your skills, the app has plenty of resources to help you improve. From videos on trading strategies to articles about market analysis, there's something for everyone. Finally, Moomoo allows users to simulate trades through its paper trading feature. This is especially useful for beginners who want to practice without risking real money. You can test strategies, learn the interface, and get a feel for how trading works before diving into live markets. One of the best things about Moomoo is its user-friendly design. The app is sleek and modern, and everything is easy to navigate. You can quickly access charts, place trades, or check your portfolio without any hassle. For those who are new to trading, this ease of use is a huge plus, as the app doesn't overwhelm you with too much information right away. Moomoo is available on both mobile and desktop, which means you can trade wherever you are. The mobile app is smooth, fast, and packed with features that don't feel clunky on a smaller screen. Whether you're on the go or at home, Moomoo's interface makes it easy to stay connected to the market. When it comes to safety, Moomoo is regulated by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission and the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority. This means your investments are protected by law. Additionally, Moomoo is part of the Securities Investor Protection Corporation, which insures your account up to $500,000 in case the firm fails, with $250,000 in cash protection. It's always a good idea to choose a platform that has strong security measures in place, and Moomoo ticks this box. The app uses encryption to protect your personal data and transactions, so you can trade with peace of mind. Moomoo offers solid customer support through various channels. You can reach them via live chat, email, or phone, and they also have an extensive FAQ section to help you find answers quickly. The live chat feature is particularly useful as it allows you to get instant help while navigating the app. Support is available 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, ensuring you're covered during market hours. let's break down the advantages and drawbacks of Moomoo. On the positive side, Moomoo's zero-commission trading for US stocks, ETFs, and options is a huge plus, especially for active traders who want to minimize costs. The advanced charting tools, real-time data, and AI-powered news feed also make it a powerful tool for serious traders. However, Moomoo's advanced features might feel overwhelming for complete beginners. While the app offers educational resources, those who are brand new to investing might find the learning curve a bit steep. Additionally, while it offers zero-commission trading for US assets, international trading comes with higher fees. Moomoo is a great platform for active traders who want to take advantage of real-time data and advanced trading tools. If you're someone who enjoys researching stocks, tracking market trends, and executing trades with precision, Moomoo can provide you with the resources you need. However, if you're a complete beginner or a long-term buy and hold investor, Moomoo may feel a bit too technical. In that case, you might prefer a simpler platform that's more focused on long-term investment strategies rather than active trading. Overall, Moomoo is a solid option for traders looking for a powerful, low-cost platform. With its zero-commission trading, advanced charts, and real-time data, it's well-suited for both intermediate and experienced traders. While beginners can certainly make use of the app's learning materials, the complexity of its tools may be overwhelming at first. If you're interested in diving deeper into the world of stock trading and want a feature-rich platform, Moomoo is definitely worth a look. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.